What's going on, guys? Welcome to a six-figure clan video. This is going to be video number 1, and I'm going to be sharing with you why the traditional way of marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, things like that is dead, and what you need to do, what you need to change in your promotions or your marketing right now so that you can start generating more leads and more sales with less work. All right, as the internet grows, as new things become available to us, as new tools become available to us, we need to learn how to leverage those tools in order to essentially save us time, so that somebody could be going through a system that you set up while you're sleeping. You don't have to be awake to talk to them or awake to walk them through how to get set up, and that's one of the most powerful things. So in this video, what I'm going to share with you is exactly what you can do and something that you can take action on right now, whether you have a business you're already promoting, or if you're looking for something to create passive income that's already set up and ready to go. All you have to do is kind of just plug into the system and kind of follow my lead. So I'm going to be covering those in this video. Please make sure, drop a like if this is your first time stopping in, and hit that subscribe button, as I'll be coming out with a video every single day regarding online marketing, network marketing, and just how to create income online. There will be some cryptocurrency videos in there as well for those crypto lovers. But to get started, let's jump right into it. Now, if you're a brand new marketer or if you're an experienced marketer, depending on what you're promoting, you always want to make sure that you have a system set up. Now, what do I mean by a system? Well, let me just jump over to my screen here to a page builder that I use called Online Sales Pro. Now, I'm just going to show you a system that I set up very, very fast, very, very easily, which promotes the Online Sales Pro system itself. So let's jump over to the screen, and I'm just going to show you break down my formula, break down my method, so that you can see exactly, what you need to do. And you can, if you're promoting something else, you can say, okay, I need to set this up, I need to set this up, I need to, test and tweak everything and things like that. So you can actually start getting, more leads and sales with as little work as possible. That is the goal. That's why we set up these systems. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go over, we're in the back office of the Online Sales Pro platform. If you guys do, if you're looking for a landing page builder, Online Sales Pro, very, very simple, very easy to use. We can just jump into the edit page. If you guys want to grab it, there is a link in the description below. But if you already have a landing page builder, just roll with that, just run with that. Don't worry about confusing yourself with the new system or anything like that. I'm just going to show you the system that I set up. So what we got here is, as you see, we got a couple different pages here. I'm going to go to the one with a video. So I just set up this little video here. If you guys want access to this funnel, it is the first link in the description. And as a member of the Six Figure Clan Facebook group, I will be giving everybody that is an Online Sales Pro member this funnel. So you can go out there, set up paid traffic. It's already done for you. It's already ready. You can go out there and promote that. And I also have a bonus at the end, which is my six-figure success system. So let's jump into the landing page here. Let's just open this up in a new tab. And all this is, I just filmed a 1-minute video, right? And it's just going over a couple pain points of the marketplace. Now you can go out there and film a video, or you can do what I did and just simply set up a regular opt-in page, where if we open this one up, so there's two different ways you can do it, whichever way you want, but you definitely want to be capturing the emails. And if you don't have a autoresponder set up, I recommend Aweber. There is a link for Aweber in the description as well. And I will be coming out with some videos over the next 100 days of me creating a video every single day. I will be coming out with just a Aweber series, how to set up your first list and things like that. So hit that subscribe button if you guys are looking forward to that content as well. So here we go, just a simple opt-in page. click the button, they're going to enter in their information, and then what's going to happen is they're going to get sent over to this page. Now again, if you've noticed anything about this, they're very simple. There's not too many steps. What I've noticed is, the more steps you give people, the less action they take. If they come here, all they have to do is watch a video and click a button. They're going to watch that video and they're going to click that button 9 times out of 10. So you're going to get way better conversion rate the easier and the simpler your pages are. And now if you're looking to, if you don't want to promote the Power Leads, or if you don't want to promote the Online Sales Pro system, all you have to do to get access to the 6-figure system is click the link below. It is the sixfiguresuccesssystem.com. But this is one that I set up that's 100% done for you. All you got to do is you go through a couple trainings. I help you set up your own system and you're ready to start making money. This is perfect for anybody that's brand new, has never made a dime online, has no idea what needs to be said in a video to make a sale. They don't know the first thing about promoting. I'm going to give you my paid traffic training and free traffic training, and you're going to also get access to the 6-figure marketers club as well. So that is the system below. If you guys have any questions, my Facebook is below in the description as well, and you guys can reach out to me at any time. I will help you, and inside of the Facebook group I will help you as well. So what we're going to be doing, just to break this down, I know I've kind of bombarded you with information, but what we're wanting to do is we want to set up a simple capture page, right, which we're going to capture their information, allowing us to follow up with them, which follow up is key. You want to be capturing emails. You don't just want to be sending people to your main sales page, and you don't just want to be sending people to the sales page that they provide you with. It's better to create your own, get that uniqueness in the marketplace, and that's the goal. I don't just want to give you a system. I want to show you what I'm doing so that you can go out there and just take action and copy what I'm doing. Set up your own system for whatever business you're promoting. Grab Online Sales Pro below, right, and you can set up a system so easily. Like, look at this. If I click this page right here, go into the edit, all you have to do, paste in a video link, headline, sub-headline, button text, where you want them to go, and you're done. Like, it's so insanely simple. Anybody could set up a couple capture page or a couple pages, link them together, and be ready to start, making commissions, getting more leads with the Online Sales Pro platform. So it's something I definitely recommend. If you don't use it, I use Online Sales Pro over ClickFunnels and Lead Pages just because, all I want is simplicity. I want somebody to be able to click a button, enter in their information, and watch a video. The more things I, show them, the more images I show them, the more text I show them, the more work I make them do, the less they're going to convert. So that's what I want you to make sure, keep things simple. Simplicity is key nowadays. Everybody, they pretty much want handouts. They don't want to do anything. So, make it easy and you're going to profit from it. I guarantee you that. So once they're finished the video, again, they're just going to click the button, and all that's going to do is going to bring them to the Online Sales Pro purchase page. Very, very simple to set up, but that's basically it for setting up your system, right? If you have something that you're promoting, if you're in a business already, ask yourself, where is my traffic going to? Is my traffic going to, maybe your blog? Is your traffic going to a YouTube channel? Or is your traffic just going, directly to a sales page? If your answer is any one of those, I definitely would recommend to either have, an opt-in page on your blog, which is going to then lead them through a system like this, send them from your blog to a page like this where you can capture their information. And same with your YouTube channel. You want to go through, as I've showed you here and in my description, I have links like these in my description because I want to capture people's information so that I can follow up with them. I can, see what they need and how I can assist them, in accomplishing those goals. So that's the name of the game. Capture those leads. We are in the lead generation business, and you want to be able to capture leads. Now, if you're looking for something to help you with that, Online Sales Pro is definitely, you know, something that I recommend. There's lots of training on here as well. How to follow up with your leads, how to, you know, message your leads back. And I'm actually going to be coming out, like I said, with some training as well. So, you know, grab Online Sales Pro in the description below if you guys want to get access to that. And also, if you guys want something that's done for you, ready to go, you don't have to worry about, you know, filming your own videos or, you know, creating your own email follow-up or creating your own capture pages or anything like that. You just want something that you can promote. Second link in the description is the 6-figure success system, and that's where I'm going to take everything that I've trained you, I put it into a system where you can duplicate it. You can copy this exact page, you can copy the exact training. The only difference is you're going to get compensated instead of me. So go through, grab whatever link you want to do. If you want to set up your own page, grab Online Sales Pro, or just implement the information I gave you today. Or if you're looking for something that's done for you, 6-figure success system is the way to go. So I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more daily videos teaching you how to get more money online out of email marketing and system creation, along with some paid and free traffic. So we'll see you guys in the next video, and have a great day.